Hey, look, guys, this is a Mo Control car that my nephew got for Christmas. Pretty dope, ain't it? Pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Look pretty neat. No, don't get in the camera, Rain. Don't get in the camera. You don't. You go over there. You can't get in the camera. So these are the Mo Control cars that my nephew got for Christmas previously. His mom got him a Mo Control.
Look at my bicycle.
Get your bicycle. You can't be in the camera. Remember what I said? No pants. You ain't got no pants on. Remember?
I don't have any. I don't want any pants.
It's inappropriate.
I asked Granny.
No, Rain. Don't go in there.
Why?
Go in there in the other room. You don't have pants on. Remember what I said? If you had pants on, then you could be in the video. But until then, no.
Here, let me take
The last few videos.
a picture.
No.
My bicycle.
No, Rain. We're doing a video.
Doing videos.
And you're not being in it, so go in there to Granny. Go in there to Granny.
What she want?
Go in there with Grandma. See what she want.
Yeah. Yeah, Granny. Okay.
Go check on your dada. So yeah, guys, like this is it actually lights up. It's a bad sucker. Look, it lights up. Oh crap! It's kind of. I thought it was slow for that. So you see how it lights up, guys? It's a bad sucker. I used to have I forgot what kind I had when I was young. I don't know what it was. I can't even remember. I think I had the truck version. I can't even remember. It might have been the truck version when I was younger. But this is a bad sucker though. It's badass. Look, badass. Oh damn, sorry. Trying to see. Okay, I might be able to do it like this. Wait a minute.
That's not giving the car.
Right? Don't be in the camera.
Okay.
Well, you can't. You're not. Don't try to be in. No, get back.
Hey,
Rainy. Rainy. Go over there. There you go. You don't have pants. Remember what I said? You ain't got pants on?
Here, let's close the door. Wait, quick.
We're not trying to make it inappropriate. You ain't got pants on.
I'm so scared.
Sorry, guys. My bad. I'm trying to tell my niece that she ain't got pants on. Because the last few videos I did, it was a disaster. It was a complete disaster because, like, technically, you know, you can get in trouble. You know, it's against the law. So you shouldn't allow your kids to just walk around with no pants on while you're filming, because no matter if let me tell y'all something. No matter if it's
Pick me up.
I can't, sweetie.
Please.
I can't,
Please.
baby. I can't.
Please.
No, I cannot. You don't got pants on. Go get you. You want Uncle to find you some pants?
Yeah.
Let me go find you some pants so you don't be walking around with no pants on. I'll be right back, guys.
Stay right there,
You can't be walking around with no pants. It's inappropriate, Rain. You want me to get in trouble? Okay. It's inappropriate. What? Yeah, can I get Rain some help doing one video before I leave? Yeah, 'cause she don't have pants on. gate is open. You feel better? How you feel?
I'm back, videos.
We are back. I had to go get Rain some pants. Yeah, go play your remote control. Oh, my bad. Rain ain't driving. Woo! Say boom. Say boom, boom. So yeah, this is the remote control car. Sorry about that, guys. You know, I had to get my little niece pants on. Say this is my brother's remote control car. Good job. What color is it?
Blue.
Is it blue?
Yeah. It got this game controller.
We got the game controller.
Yeah. I'm at the race, guys.
Yeah, it's got batteries. Say battery.
Well, pick me up.
You want to pick?
Up. Like a dad. Like remote control.
Yeah.
Hi.
Say what is that? Say this is a wheel.
This is a wheel.
And what? So you like it?
I'll go get it.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah.
You want to see how it lights up?
Yep.
Then hand it to me. Should we show them how it lights up?
Yeah.
Stand right there. Right there. So let me show y'all. We ain't playing it now, Rain.
Huh?
We're not playing it now. But look, guys.
Look, guys. I got the remote control car.
So this is how it lights up. Look. Show them how it lights up. How it's lighting up. Look.
Right here.
Say it's a bad sucker.
It's a bad sucker.
Say bad pajama.
Bad pajama.
Say it's blue.
It's blue.
Say remote control car.
Remote control car.
It's blue.
It's blue.
Good job.
And look at this. Look at this controller.
Say brother got it for Christmas.
Coco got it for Christmas.
That's cool.
And I'm about to drive it.
You about to drive it?
Yeah.
You want to try to before I leave?
No, it's not working.
It ain't working because you're messing with it, sweetie. You can't be messing with it.
That's why I'm not.
Now it's working. Look.
There.
Now drive it. Boom. Say boom. Do boom.
Now pick me up.
Yeah, pick it up, sweetie. Go pick the charger piece up. Yeah, go pick it up. Can you pick it up for Uncle?
Wait.
Right there. Pick it up.
I did pick it up.
No, pick it up, sweetie. Go pick it up. Go pick it up.
I got it.
No, go put it back. Right there, white. See that white cord right there? White. See it right there?
This?
Pick it up. Good girl. Hand it to Uncle Melvin. Hand it to me. Good job. Give me some. Give me 5. Good job on the remote control car, Rain. Proud of you. Look at that. Look. Oh.
No, pick me up.
You want to say you want me to pick? You don't have to pick you up. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Say like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye.
This is my baby, guys. This is my baby.
I got this remote control.
Say how old are you?
3.
Say I'm 3.
I'm 3.
Say I'll be 4.
I will be through in April.
Say 4.
4.
Say 4 years old.
4 years old.
Good. Say 4 years.
Look, I'm playing.
Come here.
Here.
Say 4
4
years.
years.
4.
Yeah, I'm gonna do push-ups.
You want to do push-ups? Do some push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good job, Ryan.
Well, you do push-ups.
We ain't doing push-ups. All right, play the remote control now. Say boom. home, Rainy.
Here, first me.
Is that you?
Yes, first mom.
Or you want to do me next?
Next.
I'm next?
Yes. Next.
Hand me the control.
All you gotta do is
You gotta hold the camera. Hold the camera real good, real tight. There you go. No, get off the fingers. Don't touch the fingers. Hold it like this. There you go. Without the fingers. There you go. Hold it.
Look at my bicycle.
That's our bicycle. So hold it like that.
And look at my car.
Yep. Let it drive. No, you gotta hold it. No, like that. Let me teach you how to hold a camera. Yeah, hold the camera like this. Like that. There you go. Do that position. There you go. Look, Rain.
What do you mean?
Hey, boom, boom, boom. Look. Like that. Don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move. Stop. There you go. Good job, Rain.
Here, Mel, you can have it back. It's my turn.
You want to say?
Bye.
Come here.
Like and subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say much love.
Love.
Say much love.
Much love.
Fans.
Fans.
Say bye.
Bye.